We're going on a bear hunt. Want to come along? Well, come on then. Let's go. Walk in place. Look, there's a river. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Can't go around it. We'll have to go through it. Now pretend to walk into the river, through the water, and onto the other bank. Then keep walking in place. Look, there's a tree. Can't go under it. Can't go through it. We'll have to go over it. Pretend to climb up and over tree. Then walk in place. Look, there's a wheat field. Can't go over it. Can't go under it. Can't go around it. We'll have to go through it. Pretend like you're walking through a field. Make the swoosh, swoosh sounds with your hands against your thighs. Then resume walking in place. Look, there's a cave. Want to go inside? Ooh, it's dark in here. Everybody look around. I see two eyes. Wonder what it is. Reach your hands out so you can touch it. It's soft and furry. It's big. It's a bear! Let's run. Retrace your steps. Run in place. Run through the wheat field. Over the tree. And across the river. In place then stop. Whew. Home safe. Phew.